Bitcoin is an extremely popular asset across the world. Lots of investors like to hold it in their portfolios for long-term returns, and it also has utility for day trading. Holding Bitcoin can be used to hedge in other markets like commodities and indices. KB Crypto, one of the valued clients of Kalkine Media, is a Canadian hedge fund that uses its expertise to derive returns from idle Bitcoin funds that also offer weekly payouts. Bitcoin had a humble start as a digital currency based on the widely adopted distributed ledger technology called blockchain. A few years back, on January 1, 2016, one Bitcoin was priced at around $400. It then rose to nearly $1,000 a year later by Jan 1, 2017, and then $13,500 by the 1st of January 2018. After a subdued 2018, Bitcoin found its biggest bullish phase when the world was struck by the COVID-19 pandemic. By November 2021, Bitcoin had reached around $68,000. Today, Bitcoin has found many investors. For example, two nations actually use it as legal tender, namely El Salvador, who are then followed by the Central African Republic. Furthermore, the S&P Dow Jones indices track its price, and Bitcoin ETFs are trading in Canada, the US, and other countries. Popular companies such as Tesla, Square, and MicroStrategy hold hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin in their balance sheets. That's Bitcoin for the uninitiated, but let's now get to know KB Crypto. KB Crypto is a hedge fund that is built on this ever-rising adoption of Bitcoin across the globe, particularly in Canada. KB Crypto is run by a team of hedge fund managers led by the founder, Devin Edwards. KB Crypto uses the Bitcoin holding of clients, places funds in traditional assets like foreign currency, indices and commodities, and then makes quick short-term gains. The gains flow back to the clients in the form of Bitcoin, meaning the Bitcoin holding remains intact, but with wealth creation through prudent hedging. The fund facilitates weekly returns for clients by simply putting their idle Bitcoin holding to use in traditional and more relatively stable assets. So why should you consider KB Crypto? Firstly, Bitcoin has grown into a formidable tradable asset, but many holders believe in the HODL or hold on for dear life strategy. KB Crypto is on a mission to restore the trust in cryptocurrency hedge funds and create a safe realm where people can make money worry-free. Instead of keeping Bitcoin holdings unused, KB Crypto enables hedging using these funds in more mainstream assets like indices. This hedging strategy pertains to a short horizon with gains realized within a brief time frame and clients receiving weekly payouts. KB Crypto's fund managers are well versed in both crypto assets and also traditional assets, with all hedging done considering the prevailing market conditions. KB Crypto helps in steering clear of cyclical volatility in Bitcoin's price simply by adding an additional cushioning by deploying Bitcoin funds in other assets. Of course, the proof is in the pudding. So let's take a look at some of the performance indicators of KB Crypto. KB Crypto has delivered a whopping 60% plus return on investments as of June 2022 for its hundreds of investors that have parked over $800,000 worth in KB Crypto's hedge fund. The fund has a $1 million insurance policy which adds to the security of funds. Customer satisfaction has helped KB Crypto maintain the industry-leading churn rate of just 2%, meaning that clients absolutely love KB Crypto. The fund has also reached broker-level execution with Tier 1 liquidity from the biggest lenders, including JP Morgan, Citibank, UBS, Deutsche Bank, XTX, Citadel, and Goldman Sachs. A sister offering called KB Capital is also in development. The entity will serve Canadian clients after securing regulatory approvals from the ASC, or Alberta Securities Commissions, and the IIROC, the Investment Industry Regulatory Organisation of Canada. KB Crypto is incorporated in the Bahamas, which is where the fund's registered office operates from. So with all that said, what are the key takeaways? Well, regardless of underlying volatility, which even ails assets like listed stocks, Bitcoin and other crypto assets adoption is witnessing an upswing with mainstream consensus and global holder numbers. KB Crypto was one of the early movers when it came to developing the idle Bitcoin holding of investors and earning returns from unrelated assets through hedging. Weekly payouts in Bitcoin add to clients' fund security, with KB Crypto's fund managers using novel but at the same time prudent and sustainable hedging strategies. So if you're looking to maximize your investments, then KB Crypto is well and truly worth considering.